So, hello everyone. Good evening, and thank you for joining in. We have Anurag. Yes. Hello, Anurag. How are you?
Hi, Hi Shivani. How can we manage this video? You are coming
आपका
horizontal, I am coming vertical.
आपका ओरिएंटेशन आपने लैंडस्केप में करा हुआ है. If you can just
Okay. Mm,
yeah.
mm.
अच्छा. ओके. आपको सिर्फ उसको थोड़ा सा ओरिएंट करना है.
मेरे को क्या
वर्टिकली
मोबाइल को खड़ा
वर्टिकली
कर
अलाइन
देंगे?
करना है.
मोबाइल को वर्टिकल करना है,
अ, आपने मोबाइल किस तरीके से रखा हुआ है?
हॉरिजॉन्टल, हॉरिजॉन्टल.
हॉरिजॉन्टल रखा हुआ है तो आप उसको वर्टिकल कर दो. आई थिंक दैट शुड बी इनफ.
Let me see.
अभी अपसाइड डाउन हो रहा है. यस,
That means
परफेक्ट
I have to
परफेक्ट.
hold. I have to
दिस इज
hold it.
गुड.
I
दिस
have
इज
to hold it.
गुड. This is good. Hello, Anurag. So let's quickly have a little introduction about you. So we know you. I have seen you working with the big corporate jobs, management jobs, and from that life to this NGO life where you have completely dedicated yourself to this organization of your wife, Garima, and serving yourself for children and adults with autism. But today पहले मैं आपके साथ जो कॉन्वर्सेशन स्टार्ट करना चाहूँगी वो वत्सल को लेकर के है, बिकॉज दैट्स वेयर वी connect you as a father, as a father, how your journey began with Vatsal, and how was your experience after his diagnosis, and then we can take it along from there. So let's start with that. तो अनुराग जी बताइए अपना
See, see,
शुरू शुरू में जब वत्सल का डायग्नोसिस हुआ था वहां से शुरू करते हैं.
हाँ, देखिए वत्सल का डायग्नोसिस जब भी हुआ और हमारी जर्नी जो भी रही, मेरा ख्याल है हर पेरेंट सेम जर्नी के थ्रू गुजरता है. एवरी पेरेंट गोज थ्रू द सेम जर्नी. पहले रिजेक्शन होता है कि नहीं, कैन नॉट हैपन टू माय सन, व्हाई मी, then anger, then mull over point, and then we start accepting little bit, then we regress. We also regress. No, 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 there is some solution. We visit to lot of temples, gurdwara, mazars, and people के पेड़ के नीचे सरसों का तेल का दिया जलाना सब कुछ चालू था हर शनिवार को. तो
अच्छा.
वो जर्नी तो सबकी कॉमन ही रहती है. मेरा ख्याल है everyone goes through the same journey.
जी
Only
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
motivational point which changed our life was one of the incident when my son was detected. I didn't go to office for 3-4 days. We were crying. We were thinking of committing suicide, as everyone. I think some of the parents do it. Some of the parents think of that, and some commit also. So because he was quite normal, we were in Varanasi, and where we had very big house in Varanasi on rent, where we were living on rent. So and he was interacting with the landlord's kids. So we never thought this would happen. And when we shifted to Faridabad, and that time he started showing. He was 1.5 year old that time.
ओके ओके.
He started showing some symptom after some time, but he used to come during KBC. When he listened to Amitabh Bachchan's voice, he used to come from any room to wherever TV was there. But after that, he used to play with some toothpaste, some square object, anything. So as everyone might be visiting to the same journey, Sapnan said, "Oh, he will speak after some time." So we thought, okay, and it is okay. And finally, we visited Apollo Hospital in New Delhi, and they said that it is autism. We
राइट.
were very happy because autism, we didn't know what is autism, so we were very happy that time because we
ओके.
thought that he's a profound deaf. We thought that there was a beta test conducted, and we were very happy. We came happily at home. Then I saw the dictionary. What is
कि
autism?
शुक्र है बहरा नहीं है, ऑटिज्म है. ओके, सो दैट्स द ब्लिस
जब
ऑफ इग्नोरेंस. आई थिंक जो इग्नोरेंस
हाँ
हमारी
हाँ
उस टाइम पर होती थी, दैट वी वर क्वाइट अनअवेयर ऑफ व्हाट एवर वर हैपनिंग. राइट. ग्रेट.
हम्म
सो
तो
यू वर वेरी
उसके
हैप्पी.
बाद जो है
ओके.
उसके बाद जो है 3 दिन जब पता चला, डिक्शनरी में देखा, रोते रहे. उस टाइम तो गूगल तो था नहीं, या था रहा होगा, लेकिन वो उसके लिए हमें सर्वर कैफे में जाना पड़ता था देखने के लिए.
करेक्ट करेक्ट करेक्ट.
तब उसके बाद जो है मैं 3 दिन तक रोता रहा. फिर उसके बाद मेरे एक बॉस थे, इमीडिएट बॉस, वो मेरे लैंडलॉर्ड को फोन किया. उस टाइम मोबाइल भी नहीं था. लैंडलॉर्ड को फोन किया, तो फिर उन्होंने बुलवाया, जबरदस्ती बुलवाया. Then he took me to his Jijaji, brother-in-law, and
जी.
his son was MR, and he himself was a doctor. Then his Jijaji said, Anurag, भगवान ने तुम्हें इतना कैपेबल समझा है कि तुम्हें ये दिया है और तुम्हें इसकी सेवा करनी है. ऐसे न जाने कितने लोगों की सेवा करनी है. ये बातें मैं पहले भी सुना था, क्योंकि जैसे ही हुआ मम्मी पापा सास ससुर सभी बोल रहे थे, अरे नहीं कोई बात नहीं, कुछ ना कुछ हो जाएगा. उनकी बातें विश्वास नहीं, क्योंकि दे हैड नॉट गॉन थ्रू द सेम जर्नी. मैं तो उसकी बात
करेक्ट.
विश्वास करूंगा जो सेम जर्नी के थ्रू गया है. तो उसके बाद मुझे लगा कि कुछ तो लाइट ऑफ होप है. ऐसा इट इज नॉट दैट एंड ऑफ द वर्ल्ड.
करेक्ट
और उसके
करेक्ट.
बाद मेरा ट्रांसफर लखनऊ हुआ. देन दिल्ली अगेन आफ्टर 3-4 years. तो उस टाइम पे फिर मैंने एफए जो एक्शन फॉर ऑटिज्म है उसके पास ही रहना सही समझा, जबकि मेरा ऑफिस नोएडा में था. मुझे रोज मेरा 12-15 किलोमीटर गाड़ी चला के जाना पड़ता था. बट आई डिसाइडेड टू स्टे बिकॉज दैट वाज अ बेटर प्लेस टू हैव एवरीथिंग. And finally he got admission in AFA, and Garima got trained in AFA, and that is how this journey started. From there I thought of this dream that we'll get together, some parents will get together. When I was there and I saw that we can do, because the management capabilities I do have, relation building, operational capabilities, and technical things Garima has puzzles. So that is how we thought that this we can do, and we can unite parents, and that is the only solution. Thought after us उसी टाइम पे दिमाग में घूम रहा था कि क्या करना है, कैसे करना है. कोई भी सहारा नहीं दिख रहा था. और सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी था कि अपने को हेल्दी बनाए रखना, स्वस्थ बनाए रखना बुढ़ापे तक भी, जिससे कि ऐसा ना हो जाए बीच में ही हम लुढ़क जाए, या दोनों में से कोई एक है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. ये आपने बहुत बढ़िया पॉइंट लिया है कि अपनी मेंटल और फिजिकल हेल्थ को ध्यान में रखना बहुत जरूरी होता है. बिकॉज ऑफन बहुत देखा गया है कि मेंटल स्ट्रेस बहुत ज्यादा हम लोग ले लेते हैं. कहीं ना कहीं एक्सेप्टेंस से रिलेटेड रहता है. अगर हम एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर पाते हैं, और कहीं ना कहीं ये रहता है कि जैसे होता है ना कि जैसे कंप्लेनिंग मोड में जैसे हम रहते हैं कि वाई मी, तो शायद वो एक बहुत बड़ा रीजन रहता है. बट आई थिंक एक्सेप्टेंस, जिस तरीके से आपने एक्सेप्ट करा कि यस दिस इज माय बैटल एंड दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच I have to, this is something which has been given to me. I cannot, there is no way out. So we have to do that. तो अनुराग, अपना एक वो कुछ एक्सपीरियंसेस बताओ जब आप बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रेसफुल हो गई हो सिचुएशन, और आपने अपने आप को कैसे डी स्ट्रेस किया उन सिचुएशंस में. किस तरीके से अपने आप को मोटिवेटेड रखा. कुछ इस तरीके से कुछ आपने ऐसा किया.
स्ट्रेस के कई मोमेंट्स आते हैं. मतलब इट इज नॉट दैट वन इंसिडेंस यहाँ पे स्ट्रेस रहा. वो कई मोमेंट्स आते हैं जब आप पाते हैं, जब डायग्नोस होता है, दैट इज वन पॉइंट. तो इसके बाद व्हेन यू सी अदर्स स्टेरिंग एट योर चाइल्ड ड्यूरिंग योर journey in train, during your journey in bus, you see that people are staring at your child, and wow, why he is behaving like this. So those are the stress moments. लेकिन सबसे इसका बेहद जरूरी पार्ट है, सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी पार्ट है कि you start accepting your child the way he is. When you start accepting your child the way he is, other will follow. दूसरे भी जो स्ट्रेंजर्स हैं, घूरती आंखें हैं, स्टेरिंग आईज हैं, they will also accept that my child.
बिल्कुल
And
बिल्कुल.
second thing, there were situations when our stress get transferred to Vatsan. Our stress gets transferred,
Hmm.
and that is the point when we decided to separate us from him. Let him feel his own
Hmm.
identity, his own worth, his own. He should feel that he is a decision maker for himself. So that is
Hmm.
the point when we started doing it, and the stress, which was obviously there, didn't get transferred to him, and he started behaving person, better personality.
Right, 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 right.
And for that, it is not easy to come to this mental state. I will certainly thank everyone around me who had been guiding factor for that. And
Right.
that is how these thoughts get developed. And obviously there is a intellectual ability to process those ideas, how to do it, how we can make sure that our child lives uh, my child lives with dignified lifestyle. So there are a lot of
Okay.
struggle in brain also, in mind, everyone's mind
It's
also. I
tough.
think everyone goes through the same journey cycle,
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
but only difference is I decide decision is one part, that I have to do something, that decision was one part.
अच्छा. राहुल जी कह रहे हैं आपका कैमरा थोड़ा शेक कर रहा है, उसको स्टेबलाइज कर लें.
हाँ, तो वो
और
कैसे
वैसे
कर
तो
सकता हूँ मैं?
स्टेबलाइज, हाँ थोड़ा स्टेबलाइज कर सकते हैं. और आवाज
एक बार
थोड़ी
मैं
सी
इसको
आपकी क्रैक, थोड़ी सी क्रैक कर रही थी, अभी बीच में क्रैक कर रही थी, बट नाउ इट्स ओके.
आई थिंक अभी सही है क्या?
हाँ, दिस इज ओके.
हाँ,
अच्छा, आप नीतीश कुमार जी, ही वांट्स टू join. Do we know Nitish Kumar ji? He
I
wants to
don't
join in
know
the
him.
live. Okay. So Nitish Kumar ji, so this is a live session with Anurag ji. So the stage is his. So maybe some other time we can have a live session. Right. So Anurag ji, ये आपने एक सीरियल होता था, अंतरा, आपकी अंतरा.
जी
तो
जी,
उसमें भी
हाँ
बच्चों
राइट,
को कवर किया गया था, और आपके आपके इंटरव्यूज, आई
हाँ
रिमेम्बर आपका इंटरव्यू लिया गया था. तो उसका
करेक्ट।
एक्सपीरियंस बताइए, और किस तरीके से उस चीजों पर, उस एपिसोड्स पे और उस सीरियल की वजह से क्या इम्पैक्ट पड़ा, और किस तरीके से आप लोगों को रीच कर पाए, और क्या मतलब किस तरीके का एक्सपीरियंस रहा, थोड़ा शेयर करेंगे.
I think the serial Aapki Antara has was very good at that point of time, because it has
राइट,
given
राइट.
awareness to many people, and it has got 1.5 hours minute short of any parent's journey.
करेक्ट.
Uh, and one big thing that they have edited it very well. There was a long shot. I think 1 to 2 hour shooting had happened that day, 16th of August 2009, and
Still remember the
and
date.
they have edited very well the message which came finally. Yeah, message which came finally on third of September 2009 was very well. So
Hmm.
that video, when the last statement was, my last statement in that video was, हम लोग कुछ ना कुछ अपने बच्चों के लिए ऐसे करेंगे जिससे कि हम एक इस बड़े क्वेश्चन का आंसर मिल पाए कि हमारे बाद क्या. And believe me that I keep on watching that video again and again, just to remind my dream, so that it always remains in my priority list. It always remains in my priority list. If I can show you the chart around my hall, there are a lot of things where I have
दिखाइए
written this, I
दिखाइए
have to
दिखाइए,
revise
लेट्स
this.
सी. ओके. हाँ, that would be nice.
I think you can see.
हाँ,
This
उसका
is a chart
कैमरा
on
रिवर्स
wall.
है तो उल्टा उल्टा नजर आ रहा है.
उल्टा नजर
that's
आ रहा है,
okay.
तो
हाँ, उल्टा नजर आ
this
रहा
is
है
for
because.
मैं
हाँ
सीधा
जी,
नजर आ रहा हूँ.
कोई बात नहीं, आप सीधे नजर आ रहे हैं, तो आप पढ़ के बता दीजिए क्या लिखा है आपने. रेजिडेंशियल, राइट राइट, वी कैन रीड नाउ. affordable, and what after us. Very nice,
सस्टेनेबल
amazing,
एंड डिग्निफाइड। तो
sustainable and delightful.
उसी तरह से मेरे मेरे बेडरूम में भी है कई
जी,
चीजें हैं जो कि मेरे को लगातार मेरे को इस चीज से करीब रखती हैं कि मुझे करना क्या है।
बिल्कुल
मतलब
बिल्कुल।
हर दिन की प्रायोरिटी रहती है कि मुझे ये करना ही है, क्योंकि अगर मेरे आउट ऑफ फोकस हो गया ना चीजें तो फिर वो नहीं बढ़ेंगी उस स्पीड से। तो देयर इज सेंस ऑफ अर्जेंसी, देयर इज ऑलवेज सेंस ऑफ अर्जेंसी फॉर दिस।
आई
So we
एग्री,
had already designed in
आई
2000।
एग्री। राइट अनुराग, आप बहुत अच्छे से ये बात बता रहे हैं कि किस तरीके से हमें अपने आप को रिमाइंड करते रहना है, क्योंकि बहुत बार ऐसा देखा गया है कि हम ऑर्गेनाइज होते हैं, हम ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस बनाते हैं, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं अपने पर्पस से डिफर हो जाते हैं और ये भूल जाते हैं। क्योंकि अभी इस पैंडेमिक में तो मेरे ख्याल से ये सबसे बड़ा एग्जाम्पल रहा है कि कई बच्चों ने अपने माँ बाप लूज कर दिए हैं और एकदम सडनली
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
सडनली इस पैंडेमिक में ये हुआ है। तो दैट मीन्स दैट एंड वी नो कि किस तरीके से उन बच्चों का मतलब पालन पोषण और आगे चल के उनका कितना ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही हैं, फेस कर रहे हैं। कोई एनजीओज नहीं अडॉप्ट कर पा रहे हैं, बहुत सारी मतलब गवर्नमेंट की जितनी पॉलिसीज हैं वो इतनी स्ट्रांग नहीं है कि हमारे बच्चों को अडॉप्ट कर सके इजीली एनजीओज भी। सो दैट इज डेफिनेटली देयर। आपका बहुत अच्छा सपना है एंड आई फील एवरी एवरी पेरेंट who has a child with autism would connect with this dream. And definitely ये आपका आपका जो ये मॉडल आप बता रहे हैं, जो जब भी मतलब आई एम श्योर बहुत 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 बेस्ट
through
विशेस
this
हम
medium
और
I want to announce the date. Through this
राइट
medium I want to announce the date. Because of COVID, it got postponed for a couple of months. So now it is August 2021 when
ओके
will we start this project. So there was one more affordability, sustainability,
राइट
and dignifiability. So affordability is very important because right now every residential project which gives very good facility has got very uh, the amount of fees is very big. One cannot afford during his working hour, working time, working life period. How he can expect the same amount of money will go to that after his death, after his demise?
करेक्ट
So affordability is one important part which I am working right now. The autism education outreach program which I have told you earlier, the
राइट
purpose of that training program was this only, that this I have to reach around 1 lakh families by 2023 through by 2000 September 2023, 1 lakh families. That means my objective is clear. By 1 lakh, if I reach 1 lakh families, I will earn sufficient revenue from that program to fund the fees of the person who cannot pay that much.
करेक्ट करेक्ट
So that is how this is running parallel, because that was very important, and that COVID has given that opportunity, although that is very not a very good phase of
गुड फेज,
anyone's
राइट,
life.
बट वही
Yeah,
है कि बेस्ट आउट
but
ऑफ वट एवर वी हैव the situation we have. So let this is positive thinking, I would say.
yeah, yes. So that has jumped India to maybe 2 3 years ahead. That digital platform which everyone has started accepting forcibly would have happened after 2 3 years. Now they have started accepting, and that is how we are reaching to many people, many in even some countries also, Muscat, Bangladesh, Dubai, Nepal, and maybe sometime Canada also will reach there through that autism education outreach program. So that is the opportunity that is, I think, in disguise, blessing in disguise, you can say that. But
Right, राइट राइट राइट, दिस इज अमेजिंग। कुछ थोड़ा वत्सल के बारे में और आपकी बॉन्डिंग के बारे में, किस तरीके से वो क्या क्या करता है, थोड़ा कुछ उस बारे में भी शेयर करेंगे हम। और ताकि हमारी ऑडियंस को ये भी पता चले कि वत्सल के साथ चैलेंजेस क्या रहे, आपके क्या रहे, और वत्सल के खुद के क्या चैलेंजेस हैं कम्युनिकेशन
हाँ,
को लेकर के और बाकी चीजों को लेकर के, और किस तरीके से आपने उन चैलेंजेस को किस तरीके से पार किया, चाहे वो उसमें गरिमा की मदद रही हो, चाहे किसी और की मदद रही हो, लेकिन उसको आप किस तरीके से और आपने किस तरीके से कम्युनिकेशन चालू रखा है वत्सल के साथ, ये भी अगर हम
see,
आप बता।
क्योंकि मैं लगभग 2013 व 14 से मैं बाहर ही रहा हूँ, बॉम्बे में रहा हूँ, और दैट हैज after every 15 days I used to come, or 21 days I used to come to Jaipur. So that
Right.
has created lot of disconnect, I'll say, with Vatsal, because of my uh, type job profile and requirement of the job. So, but anyway, he loves me when I take him to the ride. He loves me when I take him to bike ride also. When we do cycling, he does the cycling
Wonderful.
on.
Wonderful.
And
Mm.
I have a plan for him. Like I wanted to him uh, ride a battery bike also, where he
अच्छा.
can come from. He can go from my residence to my center. So that is a plan which I have made. He should learn traffic sense. He should learn when to apply brake. So that is my target. So the objective is that he should feel much more dignified rather than spending time from one room to other room, and spending time in bathroom taking bath. So that is certainly not appreciable right now, just because of corona. This has limited our approach, but certainly after some time I would love to have him on battery bike.
राइट राइट. सो ये तो बहुत कमाल का आपका वो है. व्हाट दिस बाइक इज लाइक, इट्स लाइक अ बैटरी ऑपरेटेड बाइक जो आप बता रहे हैं, उसमें मेरे ख्याल से
इसका आती है,
इजी
बजाज
इजी
की
टू
आती है,
ऑपरेट,
बजाज की,
इजी टू ऑपरेट.
बजाज की आती है. यस यस, इट
बजाज
इज
का
बजाज की आती है, बजाज की. हाँ, 50,000 के करीब आती है. There are several other companies which have those who have launched this type of work, but those are very costly, 1.5 lakhs. But Bajaj, very simple, 25 kilometer maximum speed, 25 kilometer per hour maximum speed, and so we can. There's no risk of getting higher speed than what is required at the traffic.
राइट राइट. अच्छा, वत्सल को लेकर के जैसे आपने ये रेजिडेंशियल प्रोग्राम का जो आपने सपना देखा है और बहुत जल्दी आप उसको पूरा भी करने वाले हैं, वैसे आपके पास आई एम श्योर बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स और आते होंगे जो कि जिनके पास यही सेम सवाल रहता है कि हमारे बाद क्या, व्हाट आफ्टर अस. तो जो ये पूरा रेजिडेंशियल प्रोग्राम है, हम इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा कुछ बात करेंगे कि जो आपने मतलब ये जयपुर में होगा या कहाँ पर होगा, मतलब एक तो
Right.
प्लेस आप बता सकते हैं
See,
अगर हमारे ऑडियंस को, और दूसरा ये भी बता पाए अगर कि जैसे आपने बोला अफोर्डेबिलिटी एक बहुत बड़ा उसका फैक्टर आप बता रहे हैं. सो अफोर्डेबिलिटी आपने बोला, और आपने कुछ उसको और क्या दो पॉइंट्स और आपने बताए थे, बाकी और दो पॉइंट्स.
affordability, sustainability, and
सस्टेनेबिलिटी, राइट,
dignified.
एंड डिग्निफाई. सो सस्टेनेबिलिटी तो बिकॉज द मॉडल हैज टू बी, आजकल जितनी भी चीजें कर रहे हैं तो वो इकोसिस्टम को ध्यान में लेकर के, आई थिंक दैट इज अ वंडरफुल आइडिया आपका.
I
तो
was that was financial sustainability, financial sustainability I was talking, because
अच्छा,
in case
फाइनेंशियल
you make
सस्टेनेबिलिटी,
everything
राइट.
dependent on donation, that will not be a good structure of anything. So it has to be self-sustainable, financially sustainable model. So
ओह
with
वंडरफुल.
affordability, self or financial system, so we cannot be dependent on donation. If donation comes, that is secondary thing, but it has to be sustainable. And very soon we are going to form a company where we can have a land company under section 8. And to tell you, during this forum, we have decided this in 2017, and we had in July 2017, and we had purchased 10 plots on individual name. But the
ओके.
plot which was supposed to be purchased on society's name, that got stuck because of money shortage. There fund, lot of fund is required, and no one gives money just because we have one plan. They will see something happening, then only anyone will do. So now after last year I waited for Corona to end. That is why it got postponed. Otherwise, if it would have started last year, I have to redesign
राइट.
the total financial working, because no one puts money on society which has they don't know in about the future. So everyone wants, so someone has to sacrifice. So I sacrificed from my society side because I was secretary, and everyone said someone has to drive this, and it was not driven properly since 2017. So those who has invested looking at our face, my face, or maybe some other parents' face, they were asking whether if anything is going to happen or they should withdraw. So that was not
Right.
good sign. They have invested on plots, and then I decided I should sacrifice. Otherwise, this will not go. This will not take proper shape. That is how in
Correct.
2019 I decided to quit job and came back, and I thought that I'll take it a very
Full
fast
time, full
forward way.
participation, and we can see amazing
So
changes. We can see amazing changes, and I think the organization Approach Autism has grown by leaps and bounds ever since you have joined. तो ये एक बहुत बड़ा प्लस पॉइंट रहा है, और आपका जो ये सपना है, मैं बहुत बहुत बेस्ट विशेस आपको दे रही हूँ, बिकॉज ये जो
thank you.
चीज़ है ये हमारे कंट्री में सबसे ज़्यादा इसी चीज़ की कमी है. देयर आर वेरी हैंडफुल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हु आर डूइंग दिस, और ये नीड है, बहुत बड़ी नीड है, सभी की नीड है, विच हैज़ टू बी डेफिनेटली सफाइस्ड. एंड आपने ये सपना देखा और उसको पूरा करने के लिए आप पूरा जुटे हुए हैं आप दोनों, विच इज़ एन अमेजिंग थिंग. सो ऑल द बेस्ट
टेक्निकल
टू.
पार्ट तो करिश्मा देख लेती है, केवल एक जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव, मार्केट मैनेजमेंट, सोशल मीडिया मैनेजमेंट, और putting right people at right place, right? I told you about autism education outreach program. We have now one footprint in Mumbai, where 4 or 5 teachers have got associated with us, and they have started taking sessions of children with autism, and after getting trained. And similarly, very soon we are going to have in Kolkata, then Hyderabad, maybe very soon in Muscat. So so this digital platform has given us the
Freedom to
interest
connect
to,
worldwide.
and after this, when we'll start our residential project, because residential project is based on inclusive thought. It is not
Okay.
exclusive that will take some land outside the 25-40 kilometer away from Jaipur. It has to be somewhere near main Jaipur, but not very far from Jaipur, but far from Jaipur. So it around 8 kilometers. The distance between where we have selected the plot, taken the plot, it is around 8 kilometers, and it takes 8 minutes to travel from there. 8 minutes, because that is a highway, Ajmer highway. So 8 minutes, you can reach office, you can reach your business location, wherever the parent is working. So they can live there, as well as they can put their child, whatever they decide they can do it.
This is amazing. This
What?
is really amazing, and I really wish a lot of luck for all this. And I wish more families come into this project and support you. Acha, there is a question where somebody is asking, and please elaborate about AEOP, which you have mentioned,
Yeah.
how it would help for inclusive.
I was waiting for this question because I wanted to elaborate. And this Autism Education Outreach Program is a platform which connects one educator sitting at any location with the parent sitting at other location through online media, through digital media, and
Right.
with the help of a app. There's one app which records the data, makes that has artificial intelligence, gives report to the progress chart, and also designs the next level. So this educator, till the parent gets trained, keeps on educating him how to take sessions with his child.
Correct.
So if parents get trained, those are our working hand. We want parents to be much more independent than not to be dependent on educator. There is certainly need of educator. There's no deny on that. There's a need of educator, but they cannot be 100% dependent. They will do some, because the child stays most of the time with his parents, with his family members. So if everyone understands fine nuances of features of autism, and they know how to work, so if the educator guides him, there will be better result. So this AEOP platform connects educator with parent, and the educator gets remuneration from the fees of the parent. So the more the session, more the sessions the educator takes, more the parents, family, educator helps, more he earns. So that way, this is encouragement to educator also, where they are not getting physical uh, touch with the child because of COVID lockdown, and
राइट, तो
this
ये आपका
gives them
ऑनलाइन
financial.
प्लेटफॉर्म है, तो ये आपका ऑनलाइन
This is
प्लेटफॉर्म है जो
this is totally online platform where parents
राइट,
will take training and teacher
करेक्ट,
will also take training. After going through the training, they will work. Parents and teacher both will put all the session data in app, and through app we can see, from sitting here we can see what is the progress, what is the whether session was conducted particular appointed date or not. So this will give us total control. And we have one app trainer, because certainly something is new, so we need some training in technology also. So we have one app trainer who is MCA, and now she is working from home. So she's also happy. She's housewife. She's also happy. And sitting at home, she's getting some remuneration.
opportunities, yes, definitely. So that's wonderful.
But
So you're
that requires
creating
time. That
more opportunities for trainers, as well as training for the parents, and of course the therapies are also going on with the children. And this residential program that is coming on is amazing. So amazing. This is really a great news that there is somebody who's so dedicated, and you have a group of families already for the residential program, because that's the ultimate, because everything
Yes.
sums up
So
in that.
most, I'll say 50% job is done, because people have put their money. Maybe they're paying EMI and nothing has happened till now. But I'm sure that with by August it will start, because I need some company partner, some people who can partner the company which we'll going to farm, and then invest, and they can take the money after some time in steps. So there's a total financial program within that in that
Wonderful.
section.
So I'm sure you'll find somebody, some suitable people who are looking for the investment, as well as they're looking for
I have
the
written here, so I have
potential.
written, so it has gone to universe. So it will. I'll certainly, God will help me to get through those people. I
I'm
have written
sure.
at the
I'm
wall,
sure.
so it has gone to universe.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful. So there is no doubt that this is going to happen, because you have decided, then you will make it happen. There is no doubt about that. So definitely, I'm sure all the best for that. And thank you so much, Anurag. You shared so much on this platform about you yourself as a father, and more importantly right now what you're doing to the society, and for the complete community, to make them more independent and to find a sustainable living options even after the parents are gone. I am very thankful to you, Anurag, to be thinking and to be working towards this initiative, and we really wish from all of us here, and we'll definitely try and bring this up. This dream should come true, and I'm sure this is going to happen. Maybe if not this year, of course next year. So your target is 2023, that everything should be 2023, right?
Yeah, by 23 we'll be able to accommodate 50 people, 50 by August 2023.
Right, right. So thank you so much, Anurag, for spending.
Your voice is not coming. Why voice? I'm
My voice
missing.
did not come to you.
Not is not is okay.
I'm not audible. Oh my God. Okay,
Now you
so
are audible.
yeah, so I was saying that thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining us tonight. And we should keep meeting, and we wish you all the best for your venture. Right? Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay.
Bye bye.
Right.
Good night.
Bye.
Thank you so much.
Good night.